children in conflict with the law. Yan ay isang debate. Mainit ang debate dyan. Pero hindi ba mga kababayan, mga kapwa magulang, kung itong tatay na to ay sinasagot po ang tanong ng anak? Responsibilidad din yan ng magulang, ng teachers, ng simbahan, ng mga komunidad. Sabi nga po, di ba ni Hillary Clinton, it takes a village to raise a child. Yes, there is something that caused that child to become violent. Whether siya may mental disease or problem, whether siya na-depressed, whether siya ginamit ng mga kriminal, the point is, Mr. President, there is a blame, but there's also a responsibility. Pag ang isang lugar, whether sa US yan, whether sa Latin America, whether yan po ay sa Africa, whether sa Tondo, whether it's in any rough neighborhood, at sasabihin marami ng gangs yan, it is our joint responsibility. In the end, there is a specific blame and there is a general responsibility. Habang usapan natin yan, mahabang usapan yan, Mr. President, but eventually, we do have to discuss it sincerely and very deeply.